Getting a business on the WhatsApp API used to be a whole project. Submitting their meta developer app, creating webhooks, proper verification, all of it. But no, you don't need that anymore. In just a couple of minutes, I was able to get my business account connected, verified, and a fully functional number with all the proper WhatsApp API functionality. And in this video, I will go over how I was able to do all of that with Zernio. Let's get into it. I mean, who doesn't want to win a race car? Who doesn't want to have the fastest car possible with the best path without any complications? I do. And the reason I am bringing this analogy is because buying a phone number with WhatsApp is crazy complicated for some people. And you should be picking the right path with the right vehicle that gets you to the finish line faster and with less complications. I mean, look at this turtle. The turtle is actually struggling. The turtle knows that he has like 4 gates ahead of it. He's currently at 12% of the race. And the main goal is to have a business number live on WhatsApp with all the functionality in place. Messages, broadcasts, forms, calls, and all of that. Functioning for your own purposes. But unfortunately, the turtle is not built for races, right? And the turtle went through the meta path. I mean, the meta process is so annoying. You need to go through app review, business verification. Every time you're buying a phone number, the phone number needs to get verified. And then you get to the last gate and your name is still on queue. Oh man, it's been 5 days and I still don't have what I want. Oh no, you got rejected and you have to do it again and again and again. And that's why the turtle was beaten by this guy on the race car. Being able to get a phone number directly through Zernio and getting all of the functionality unlocked in less than 2 minutes. Having access to inbox, broadcasts, in-chat forms, calls, and also direct connection with your AI agent. And for some numbers in some regions, having also the possibility of SMS enablement. I mean, no gates, no swamp. The platform is the road. And in this video, I will go over the entire process from the start to the end, winning the race for you. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that you need to take in consideration is that inside Zernio, we have the phone number section. This is where you can bring your own phone number directly, or you can buy your phone number, okay? And we have different phone numbers from different countries with different prices. And as you can see here, different numbers have different enablements. For example, this one has calls, enable, SMS, and also WhatsApp. The process for buying a phone number is very simple. Right now, I'm going to go with United States as the country. Then I'm going to click get number. And right now we're going through the setup. We're buying and activating my own number. And as we can see here, my number is ready. This is the number that I got. Calls are on. We need to turn on SMS and connect WhatsApp so we can have this number functional on both. So let me do that. So I'm going to click on the new number and we'll be able to see this sidebar interface where we have WhatsApp, SMS, calls and voicemails. So what I'm going to take action on is connecting WhatsApp. But the first thing that I need to make sure I have is my WhatsApp account connected on my profile. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to connect WhatsApp. I'm going to click use a purchase number. And then I'm going to select the one I just bought. I'm going to click connect. Nice. I went through the verification process. It took around, you can say 1 minute, so just be patient. And then I'm going to click continue to WhatsApp setup, okay? And this is going to basically explain you what you need to actually do. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on continue to WhatsApp setup. As you can see here, I am already connected on my own WhatsApp business account. So you need to consider that you need to have your account connected directly through Meta in this interface here. That was automatically being done for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click continue. I'm going to select my business portfolio and then I'm going to select my profile that doesn't have any number connected yet. I'm going to click next and I'm going to add a new number. Okay. I'm going to select the newest number that I just got because it's showing right now and it's verified automatically by Zernio. So that's super nice. And I'm going to click next and continue. All right. And here we have review what you will share with Social Media Connector. Social Media Connector is requesting access to being able to manage your WhatsApp accounts, manage and access conversations in WhatsApp, and log events on your WhatsApp business account we have and send those events to Meta. I'm going to confirm connecting your account. This may take a few moments. All right, and we're successfully connected now. Your account is connected to Zernio. We will review your business to ensure it complies with WhatsApp and reach out within 24 hours if there's an issue. And that was basically it. So now if I go to the numbers section, I will be able to see that my WhatsApp is directly connected to my own profile. Amazing. So now what we can do is we can actually turn on SMS for us, or we can turn on calls and voicemails, and this number will be functional for an AI voice agent directly on another platform, for example, retail. We dedicated a video specifically on this feature, so if you want to take a look at that, I recommend you checking our last video. Okay, now let's do the actual testing. Let's see if this number is functional. All right, so I am creating a new contact with this phone number, and it is showing that this phone number is on WhatsApp. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to message the number, and I'm going to say hello. And if we go to inbox and we take a look at messages, and as you can see here, I got the message directly. I'm able to handle all my conversations in one place, not only for WhatsApp, but also for other social platforms. And through here, I'm able to start replying. And I got a reply back on my phone. Amazing. Now, what this enables you to start doing is you can start using some of the functionality that is part of Zernio, like broadcast, sequences. You can even build your own WhatsApp customer service agent with the number that you just bought. I'm going to connect the number that I just bought directly into my WhatsApp customer service agent that we already dedicated a video also on it. I will also reference it here, and I'm going to click Save Changes. So now this number becomes my WhatsApp customer service agent. So I'm just going to say, hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? And if we go into recent runs, you're going to be able to see that I just actually sent a message less than a minute ago saying, hello, what's your name? And my agent was able to reply to me with, hey there, I'm the virtual assistant for Enrique's team. Here to help you anytime. What can I do for you today? So in a matter of minutes, I was able to just buy this number, get it ready, and connect it to my AI agent. Incredible. By the way, this is an overview of the workflow, and here's the AI node, just so you know. And that was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in knowing how to build a customer service agent directly through WhatsApp, I have dedicated a couple of videos on this channel, the previous videos that you will see, the most recent ones. One for building it directly just as a text assistant, and the other one adding an extra layer of an AI voice agent connected. So it is a customer service agent that takes over the WhatsApp text interactions and also voice calls, and all of that built inside Zernio. So I recommend you taking a look at that. Now, with that being said, hopefully I was helpful with this video and I achieved my main goal with it. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment also if you got any questions or you just want to say thank you. Overall, this video was fun to make, and I hope I keep making this type of videos next. So turn on the bell notifications if you want to keep yourself updated with all of the updates and videos that we are going to be rolling out. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.